6 minus 4 equals to 2. 4 minus 6 equals to minus 2. 2 multiplied by minus 2 equals to minus 4. But of course, this answer is not correct. Why this answer is not correct? Because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, we must first do what's inside the parentheses. So we must do first 4 minus 6. Then we do second exponents. Here we don't have it. Then we have multiplication and division. We do it in the third place, and it needs to be done from left to right because they have equal priority. So in this case, we have one multiplication, and only at last we need to do addition or subtraction. So doing in this approach, just by combining the left side with the right side, it's not correct. So you cannot do first the subtraction, then do what's inside the parentheses, and then decide to do the multiplication. So this is wrong, because according to the order of operation, we do first the parentheses, then we do multiplication, and only at the end we do the subtraction. So therefore, what we have 6 minus 4 multiplied by, we have 4 minus 6, we saw it's minus 2. Okay, then now we do the multiplication before the subtraction. So okay, here we might be tricked by this sign. So to make it easier, what we can do is first we add here the brackets. So then we multiply 4 by minus 2 without touching this sign. So what we have 6 minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 8. Okay, when we have minus a negative number, the sign changes to plus. So minus to minus, we have plus. Therefore, we have 6 plus 8, which equals to 14. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.